5 days of culture. Day 1, we're just walking around the town, doing all the simple sights before we venture further afield. We made it to the big cathedral.
No, in fact there's the people up the tower that you can see the place.
We have now checked in to our hotel. Gigantic room, 2 queen beds. We have free fruit. This is the bathroom. Beautiful walk-in shower. I'm gonna give you an update on what we've done today. It was a bit underwhelming. We come to Iceland for the day tours, so...
Yeah, the natural beauty rather than the town.
Morning! Golden Circle tour. It's absolutely freezing. Look, we're in the middle of nowhere. Like literally the middle of nowhere. You comfy? Yeah. Oh my god. Today we are going to the south. I just got washed away by one of those treacherous waves. No joke, I was taking a picture, facing away from the waves, and then I got snuck up on, and there's a sign that says sneaker waves. My feet are soaked because I was like shin deep in a wave. Could have been taken out to sea. We have completed day 1 of the South Coast tour, and we're gonna get an early night and wake up bright and early because we're going glacier hiking, ice caving. We are exhausted if you can't tell. Definitely gonna need a holiday after this holiday, but enjoying it, and we're nearly at the end.
A feathery texture to it.
So you point your feet to the direction you want to go, and you... Can you put the camera, please?
Breathe in, Mum. Wow. We're in one of the crevices. Ah. Yeah, another one, another one.
Is there another?
How are you finding it, Mum?
Exhilarating.
Exhilarating.
Fresh. Healthy. Scary.
Ooh. Wow. Can you see? No. Update, we are actually stuck in Iceland. The storm is so bad in the UK that we weren't able to catch our flight last night. We were in the airport for like 5 hours, but then it got cancelled. We had to stay in a hotel overnight. Our flight today is also delayed, but fingers crossed we should get home. But other than that, how was Iceland?
Surreal, beautiful, amazing scenery.
I would say if you're really into scenery and seeing nice things, then it's great. It is absolutely freezing cold, but we had a really nice time. Definitely 5 days is enough. You don't need any longer than that in our opinion. And thank you for watching. We will see you, I will see you on my next trip.